Rehabilitation Protocol for Brachial Plexus Injury. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Brachial plexus injury (BPI) is one of the most serious peripheral nerve injuries, with severe physical disabilities and long-term financial and psychological consequences. Rehabilitation is a cornerstone of BPI management. Rehabilitation is inherently patient-centered and demands consistent adherence. The best outcomes are seen when patients are well-informed, motivated, and actively engaged in their recovery. This chapter discusses a comprehensive rehabilitation protocol for brachial plexus injury. Different phases of the conservative management rehabilitation protocol are discussed in the chapter. Rehabilitation must be individualized and adaptable. To ensure the efficiency of the protocol, therapists must document progress using Medical Research Council (MRC) grading, goniometry for range of movement (ROM), and validated functional outcome scales, for example, disabilities of arm, shoulder and hand DAS-8 score. Introduction. Brachial plexus injury (BPI) is a serious nerve injury that can cause major problems with arm and hand movement, affecting daily life for both adults and children. It usually happens after trauma or strong pulling on the nerves that control the shoulder, arm, and hand. Recovery depends on how severe the injury is, and treatment can involve surgery or rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is very important and includes exercises, sensory training, nerve stimulation, and sometimes therapies like acupuncture or massage. Newer methods like hydrotherapy and stem cell therapy are still being explored. A special rehabilitation program, combining global best practices, has been developed at AIIMS Bathinda to offer thorough, evidence-based care. Successful recovery requires teamwork between doctors, therapists, and patients, with strong commitment and active participation. Although recovery is slow and challenging, a well-planned rehabilitation program can help improve movement, strength, and overall quality of life. Conclusion. Rehabilitation in brachial plexus injury is both an art and a science. A phase-wise, protocol-driven approach, as described herein, ensures that patients receive timely, structured, and individualized care. Whether managed conservatively or surgically, success hinges on early initiation, multidisciplinary coordination, and patient adherence. This protocol integrates global best practices and local clinical experience to guide healthcare providers in delivering holistic rehabilitation. By incorporating electrical stimulation, task-specific training, cortical re-education, and neuroplasticity-based interventions like MVFT and CIMT, it maximizes recovery potential and functional independence. Ultimately, rehabilitation transforms potential into performance and injury into opportunity for restoration. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.